Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Today I will show you all load relay connection with contactor. How to connect. See, this is 3-phase in and 3-phase out. This for 3-phase. Also you can use it for single phase. So this how you need to connect the all load relay. And the screw you need to tight. Now how to do connection. So I will connect here power. And I will take one loop from here. You need to take one loop from line to connect 95. From 95 to 98 you need to give loop. From 96 you need to take one another loop and you need to connect on A1 phase. And neutral you need to connect here. Now I have 97 for trip indicator. On 97 I connect indicator, I will show you, and I will give neutral from here direct. Now my connection is completed. I will switch it on. You can see this is switch on now. This is stop button. By this key you can stop it, and this blue is reset. How it will be? You can see I will put on test. You can see the green indicator is on. This is now on trip point. So how to reset it? By pressing blue key. This is now reset. This is Ampere setting. You can see here is arrow. You can rotate the arrow accordingly. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.